Here we will write a program to accept fruit names, store it in list and convert all list elements to uppercase using list comprehension. So first in comment line we will write first we will define an empty list. Then we will accept total number of elements to be accepted from the user to store in list. So n equal to int input enter number. Then I will define integer variable I, which is initialized with 1, and I will use while loop while I less than or equal to n. We will accept the element. So e equal to, here you are accepting the fruit name, so no need to convert it. So e equal to input enter fruit name, and we will append this e to list. So L dot append e, and we will increase I as I equal to I plus 1. First we will print original list as print L, and then we will convert all letters to uppercase character using list comprehension. So new list equal to x dot upper, which is a function to convert to uppercase for x in L, which is a list, and we will print new list. And we execute. I will give total number as 4. I will enter the fruit names. First it will print original list in small case letter, and then it will print new list by converting all elements in the list in uppercase. Here we have converted all list elements in uppercase using list comprehension.